Crude oil has started off the week almost flat, failing to stay above 68. We have seen a struggle here, while natural gas, which has given a good breakout on the upside, now trading at 3.45. What to expect now from oil and gas with the Europe session? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit? We are going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to offer you twice a day updates for oil and gas. The next update will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till the end. Oil on the RD chart, see it has formed a very good base now at 67.4, 67.2 zone. This is the zone oil needs to breach in order to turn bearish. See, this has formed a base, then the rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. It is staying sideways. If you see it is staying beyond 67.8, 68 zone, you can stay with the buys here. Beyond 67.8 and 68 is where the bulls are waiting. Till 68 we have to be watchful. What's happening here? Divide this into two. You can see symmetry, you can see the formation here. But what preceded this was a drop, so what could follow is a rise here. Let's watch out. Moving averages have crossed over. These are trading bullish, staying looking upwards. Stochastic rising, but the MACD has retraced sharp and now it is on the verge of a crossover for sell. But it is not that it cannot rise further. However, right now it is convergent. RSI comfortably placed. Coming to 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour chart, see what's happening here. A similar observation, consolidation is going on. Once you see it is staying beyond 67.8 and 68, you can stay with the buys. You can expect 68.6, 69.2 and $70 zone as the next targets. The crossover in the moving average is on the buy side. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD are rising and the RSI is staying flat. Look at the 3-hour charts. Similar observation. After spiking here, and we can see a reversal sign since then, it is consolidated. Also notice any drop below 67.2 and 66.8 zone. This is the most important zone here. 67.2, 66.8 levels. As long as 66.8 is not taken, you have to watch out with caution. Below 66.8, it could deliver a reversal here. Moving average is bullish. Stochastic is dropped. The MACD rising. RSI staying flat. Look at 4 hour. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation. See now 67.8, 68 is the milestone. It has to break on the upside. 67.2, 66.8 on the downside. So this is a complete zone here, or rather a zone of $1.4, 66.8 on the downside, 68.2 on the upside. This complete zone is critical for oil to break out either on the upside or on the downside. Beyond 68.2, certainly more bullishness should prevail here. But also notice it is formed a nearby support here and trying to bounce back. I'll definitely watch out if it stays beyond 67.8, 68 zone. That will confirm further bullishness. Moving averages divergent here, staying bullish. Stochastic overbought here. The MACD just crossing over here, trading with moderate bullishness. And see, it has got lot much of room on the upside to cover. Thus, more bullishness may prevail. RSI placed comfortably here. Coming to daily chart. On the daily charts, notice the move here. See, the bottoming is done at 64, 63.6. Then the rise, retracement, rise. It has shown a retracement, but failing to breach the bottom end of the channel, it has bounced back. Now it is awaiting a breakout here. A move beyond 68, 68.2. Certainly, we can expect 68.6, 69.2 and $70 zone very soon. And a move beyond 70 is a clear indication of further advancement in oil prices towards 71.8, 72.5, 73.6 and 75 zone. Moving averages are still bullish. Stochastic rising. The MACD crossed over for the buys. The RSI is staying flat here. So considering this, before I offer you the levels, if you are willing to learn this art of trading, do join my next mentorship batch starting 21st of July. Invest in your learning first. This is the only investment which can give you profits throughout your life. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. Those willing to just trade as per the signals can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Reach out to me for details. And yes, once you have your trades in place, it is very important for you to have a safer place to trade. Find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. It offers you a free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, zero commissions, and yes, most importantly, a safer environment for you to trade and easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. Join it today and enjoy your trading. Now, I'll recommend you can buy here at 67.8 and this zone here at between 67.8 to 68.2. This is the zone where you have to exercise caution. Once oil trades beyond 68.2, stay bullish for 68.6, 69.2, 69.3 and 70 as the next target. It is beyond 70 where the bulls are waiting, beyond 70 where the near term we can look forward 71.8, 72.5, 73.6 and 75 as the next target. While it is right now showing a bit of a struggle, thus selling entry at 67.2 can be taken, but then 67, 66.8 is where it has got maximum support. And if it trades below 66.8, you can say now this is the time for us to stay with the sells. Expect 66.4, 65.8, and if that is also taken, then it is heading for a greater correction towards 64, 62, and 60. Let's see the direction it takes today. Now let's move to natural gas. Natural gas gave a gap up here, though it is staying in the zone. Let it stay beyond 3.46, 3.48 zone. 3.48 is the critical number for gas to break beyond. Once it stays beyond 3.48, you can expect 3.5 to 3.56, 3.65 as the next target. Moving averages crossed over here, trading with divergence is staying bullish. Stochastic is near to top. The MACD is divergent and bullish. And the RSI, if you look at the RSI, is rising here. Coming to 2 hour chart. On the 2 hour charts, the moving averages have crossed over here. These are trading with divergence, staying bullish, rise, retracement, support here, trying to bounce back, and this is the channel it has created. I'll definitely wait for it to come out of this channel. Once it come out of this channel, more bullishness should prevail. Beyond 3.48, certainly we can see a greater rise. 3.54, 3.6, possible 3.5254 should be a good resistance. Then 3.6, 3.65, very good resistances are available. Stochastic overbought here, the MACD divergent and bullish, and see now look at the waves it has delivered. Now this is coming out, so possibly this could head towards the highs, and this could confirm a reversal as well. Hence watch out on the upside the critical resistances. As and how it breaches the resistances, more bullishness should prevail. The RSI is placed comfortably here. Coming to 3 hour chart, look at 3 hour charts here. Lower highs were seen, lower lows were seen. It is trying to break out. Also notice after the rise it is consolidated, so I'm just waiting for the next breakout move here. And see, it has already given a gap up. I'll just wait for it to stay above 3.48, which will confirm further rise. The stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI rising here. Things are supportive for further rise. Look at the 4 hour. On the 4 hour charts, what has happened? Couple of candles with bigger tails trying to bounce back, trying to rise. Wait for it to stay beyond 3.48, 3.5. This will confirm. Or in fact, if you are buying at 3.58x, 48, expect 3.5254 as the first target zone. 3.6 is also possible here. And beyond 3.6 is where the bulls are waiting. Be watchful of this. If you see, the moving averages have now started to converge, and on the 3 hour charts, in fact, these are on the verge of a crossover. Stochastic, MACD, RSI all are rising, supportive of further bullishness. Look at 4 hour charts, daily charts. On the daily charts, what has happened? Notice it was trading bearish here. It is trying to give a breakout here, and it has created a nice step. Also, the prices were trading with divergence from 20 period. And yes, the median of the Bollinger Bands and the 20 period both are sitting in between 3.48, 3.52, which makes this zone as a critical resistance zone on the upside. Any move beyond this is a good sign for the bulls, which could in fact take it towards 3.6, 3.772 and 3.8 levels very soon. If not today, the moving averages here have crossed over on the sell side. Also, I have showed something on the daily charts. Higher lows, higher highs here. So this is possible that this could be the beginning of a reversal towards the top of the channel. The stochastic rising, the MACD is on the verge of a crossover. This is a supportive sign for the bulls, and the RSI rising. So now considering this, I'll recommend you to buy at 3.48, expect 3.52, and then 3.56, 3.6, 3.65, 3.72, and 3.8 as the next targets. These are all very good resistances on the upside. And if, as and how it breaches these resistances, the bullishness is going to increase. Be mindful, this could mean a complete reversal. While right now I can see after a gap up, net gas is just consolidating, and if you see it is staying now below 3.4, 3.42 levels itself, you can take a sell for 3.39, 3.38 as the first target zone, 3.3635 at the next, and then 3.3. Any drop below 3 is a clear sign of a greater correction ahead, where 3.23 dollar zone should be there very soon. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Thank you.